buyers and sellers could take advantage of a less crowded market. Anna Stender joins us now to talk about this.
There tends to be less buying and selling activities in the fall and winter. But that doesn't mean that's not a good time to buy. In fact,
Right.
Buyers really can take advantage of the lower prices and less competition.
Because of that, does that mean it's a good time to put your house on the market?
In fact, we have another great incentive for home buyers on the horizon. The relaunch of the California Dream for All program will help home buyers get into their dream homes once again.
Right.
And that's going to be announced with the timeline for applications this fall. That's going to entice sellers that if you're prepared to put your home on the market, the fall might be a great time.
And Anna, this is an important point. The Dream for All program, they did a first round of this earlier this year, and it was like some $300 million. It helps homeowners with a down payment. You have to meet certain requirements, but a down payment of up to like $58,000, so it's significant. It went in like, those $300 million went in like 11 days, right?
It did. It went fast because we had buyers prepared. They lined themselves with a real estate agent and a lender to get their pre-approvals ready to go. Get aligned with your real estate agent, get pre-approved, and so that when that announcement comes out, you are ready.
All right, so look forward to that and keep advised of the Dream for All program. Anna Stender, real estate expert, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.